72% of all goods in Europe is road transport. The problem is that 20% of all trucks are empty, and those who are not empty are only filled half on average, which is really a waste of resources. This translates into 100 billion euro in unused capacity due to the lack of unit optimization. So we need to bundle freight flows in order to improve the utilization rate of our trucks. Previously, customer deliveries were picked and packed on pallets and moved directly to the customer. This resulted in trucks that were less than half full. There is significant potential for improvement. With MIXMOVE, customer pallets are no longer prepared at the factory. Shippers send parcels to the nearest consolidation hub, where orders are mixed together. Then, mega pallets or cages are loaded onto trucks for long distance. These full trucks now move cargo between the hubs. At the hub closest to the customer, cargo from many shippers or factories are unloaded and repacked into pallets for customer delivery, which creates the perfect capacity use. This way, you can store your products closer to the point of consumption. With the MIXMOVE process, the consolidation or cross-docking of cargo is implemented as a self-containing logistic process with its own management system.